Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling the recorder and adopting the correct grip. Place the head joint straight into the body until it stops. You want a secure fit without forcing. Put your left hand on top and right hand below, thumbs supporting but not squeezing. Once done, cover holes with flat fingertips, keeping joints relaxed. If you notice air leaking, reduce pressure and use a half breath to test hole seals. These initial steps set your posture and tone foundation, so get them right before you blow a full note. Now you focus on sound production and articulation. Breathe from your diaphragm and release short, steady exhalations. This gives a focused airstream and consistent dynamics. Make your tongue meet the roof briefly with a light 2 to start notes cleanly. Vary attack for staccato and legato. Move through 1-octave scales slowly, keeping finger transitions smooth and anticipating the next hole. Once comfortable, increase tempo gradually and listen for even intonation. Practicing with a metronome helps you build reliable timing and cleaner phrasing. Finish by establishing a routine and caring for the instrument. Do focus sessions of 15 to 20 minutes, warm up with long tones, then technical exercises and a short piece. After playing, dry the bore with a soft swab and never soak wooden parts. Store the recorder in its case away from extreme heat or cold. If your tone suddenly wavers or notes stick, first recheck your embouchure and finger placement, then inspect joints for dirt or alignment. Cleaning the windway often fixes common problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.